Okay, welcome back to another episode of Shot on iPhone. Streetlight Productions. All right, so today we're going to be showing you your favorite hub. Not that hub, you pervert. These hubs, Work Bell's hub. We're going to get started. We're going to be installing a couple of these onto Momo steering wheels that we have recently gotten. This one courtesy of Charles Wong, and this one from Japan. We will also be putting in this special collaboration quick release from Greddy into the R33 behind us, just so you can kind of see what that's all about. And we'll be swapping out some of the hardware with some nice shiny bits of titanium from dress-up bolts, because we like colorful bolts. Let this be a lesson. Nobody runs NRG. If you run NRG, you're probably poor. Buy the real stuff, the actual Works Bell quick release, much higher quality product.
Gotta make sure it's going the right direction.
And we'll start unboxing these bad boys. So when you first open them up, you have some nice little rings here. These are for the negatives for your horn. You also get a sticker for the registration of the product. Ooh. Peanuts if you're hungry. Regular hardware, the actual unit. So as you can see here, the Greddy one is black and blue, which will match nicely, we figure, with the Bayside blue car and his Vertex steering wheel. This one is just a standard Works Bell unit. Same thing, another sticker for registration. The negatives. More peanuts if you're still hungry. And the standard one is an all black unit with a nice ring around it with the branding and the logo. So always check that for authentic products. There's lots of fake ones out there.
That's pretty nice.
Is that real pretty or what? How does it compare to his face? Not sure. It's got the silver Works Bell quick release, in case anyone is curious. This is what the plain silver one looks like.
Plain?
What it is.
Hey, it's really nice, okay?
No, no question.
It could be, one of those ones that makes the dings when the safety ring is out, but it's not, fortunately.
Okay. And also, just so that you guys are aware, one of the beautiful things about Works Bell is on their hubs, you'll see there is a little dot. If you want to look closely at that, that's so you can align this thing, so you know where the top is. That's a nice little feature that Works Bell has thought to do with their products. Then, this ring, as I mentioned, is for your negative ground wire, so that your horn still works. And it rotates, as you can see here, in order for you to figure out where all your bolt holes will line up. So this is the spot. We're going to put our negative onto this. And then you would mount the steering wheel above it, again, to line up the bolts. Once you've lined up the bolts, you slip the horn in to this portion. The beauty ring would go on top. Alright, so this is what they look like all assembled. Probably familiar with what a quick release looks like. You get the nice red dress-up bolts. Remember to use code Streetlight for 10% off at dress-up bolts. And if you want a Momo steering wheel, actually, you can get them through our partner at Metro Van Motors here in Vancouver. Again, code Streetlight, get yourself a 10% discount off of aftermarket parts, anything that can be supplied through JRP in North America. Okay, so next we're going to be installing this Greddy quick release into the R33. Colton has a Vertex steering wheel, which has a slightly different setup than the Momos, which have a beauty ring around the bolts. So I'll show you all that in just a second. Thanks to the guys at Dress Up Bolts who provided us with a set of blue countersunk titanium hardware. The only difficulty I'm currently poised with is taking the bloody horn off, because it has gotten stuck to the wire. What's going on? How you been?
Don't you remember me?
Of course. Alright, so as we tighten down this base here, not sure if Colton captured or not, maybe he's trying to save me from embarrassment, but we accidentally pinched the positive wire for the horn against the base plate of this, which then set off the horn. So here we were with this thing almost completely tightened down, just going in this very, very tight studio space. It was very loud. So thank you for attending Tech Tips with Streetlight. Special thanks to Fist Bump Filmworks, who has obviously blessed us all with this amazing studio space. If you're looking for a high quality shoot, production, start a podcast, whatever, get in touch with us or get in touch with Nathan, the owner of Fist Bump. We'll get you set up and get rolling. And a special thank you for anyone who attended our event last week. If you did, maybe you got one of these special promotional prints. You'll notice some pretty cool photos in here. You could have some of your own car if you'd like. Again, just contact us or Nathan at Fist Bump. And on the back, you'll notice we actually have a bit of a special promo deal. So if you're looking to get a shoot done, give us a shout. We'll get that taken care of. Otherwise, we'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.
And next time, we're going to eat an RX-8.
Disclaimer, all the views shared by Streetlight are personal and of our own opinion, but also don't eat packing peanuts, and you can't eat a car.
Well, you
don't
can
even
try.
Don't try.
You need some of it.